Payment link. Here, you can access previous payment links or create new ones. Through these options, you can edit or deactivate a link. To create a new link, click here and provide basic information such as the name and description. Then, enter the payment amount and select the currency. Payment4 offers exceptional features by supporting various currencies like the dollar, euro, pound, Emirati dirham, Iranian toman, and Turkish lira for user convenience. By checking this box, you allow users to specify the payment amount. For instance, if a user wishes to express gratitude through a payment, you can grant permission for this. You can set a usage limit for each payment link and establish an expiration date. Choosing the language of the payment link for international users. Lastly, fill in these sections to share your contact information.